Hello everyone. Today I'm giving you a side-by-side comparison of two of the best Shopify landing pages builders, Gempages and Ecomposers. I'll go through 10 categories in order, so let's get started. The app's name we're comparing are Gempages Landing Page Builder and Ecomposer Landing Page Builder. When it comes to reviews, it's actually like the same. Both apps have an outstanding 4.9 star rating. Amazing. When it comes to reviews, Gem Pages had a over 5,292 reviews, and eComposer just a little bit higher for 5,300 reviews already. Both are trusted by thousands of Shopify users worldwide. So now, when it comes to pricing, here's the difference. Gem Pages offers this one, as we can see here, and while eComposer has a more budget-friendly across all paid plans. So now, next, let's talk about the highlights. It's actually same as well. Both apps are popular with businesses in the Philippines, integrated directly in the Shopify admin and fully compatible with the latest themes. In the page types, Gem Pages supports all of this one. So we can see here, landing pages, home pages, up to custom pages. While eComposer supports coming soon pages, cart pages, so on up to press pages. Well, eComposers offers more variety in pages types, making it more flexible. Next, this managing pages. Mostly are the same here. Both apps include editor tools, elements, templates, import and export, same pages, so on, up to activity logs. But here's the catch. eComposers adds a few extra when it comes to managing pages. It has snippets, audits, reporting, and tracking. So for advanced page control and performance tracking, eComposer wins. Now, when it comes to customization, both apps actually let you customize with product page upsell, announcement bar, sticky card, pop-ups, custom CSS, customize HTML, and drag and drop editor. But as we can see here, eComposer also gives you progress bar, one-click add-ons, cart drawer, multi-currency, multi-language, custom rules. For more e-commerce flexibility, I might say eComposer is more powerful here. Next, when it comes to offer and recommendations, so we can see here, Jam Pages offers bundles, quantity breaks, volume discounts, and while eComposer offers bundles, product add-ons, product recommendations, and frequently bought together. So eComposer provides smarter, personalized product suggestions, a great tool for boosting sales, actually. Next, when it comes to analytics, Jam Pages tracks conversion rates, funnel performance, while eComposer tracks conversion rates, recommendation performance, optimizations, suggestions. So for analytics, eComposer provides more insights to help improve your strategy and increase your sales. Final verdict. Both are amazing tools, but here's the takeaway. Choose Gempages if you're already using it and or you want strong upsell features. And choose Ecomposer if you wanted more advanced tools, lower pricing, and deep customization. That's the full breakdown. Let me know in the comment which one you'd pick and if you're using one already. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next comparison review.